All right, so this week we are in Osage Beach, Missouri. This is Rick with Custom Concrete Design. So we're going to be doing this garage floor and these walls, getting set up to grind everything down. We're going to stop our application right here as the concrete folds down right here and touches the apron. And this area right here is this is our apron. I'm going to go ahead and grind that, and then we're going to seal that. We're not going to put the chips out here. We're not putting epoxy and chips out on the apron. So that application will be done inside the garage. The walls, after they're ground, we're going to paint those. So those will be colored, and they will be a color that is in the chip. The chip color is going to be grizzly, which is it's a tan, black and white. Popular color for sure. Concrete really isn't in bad shape. It's got a few issues here and there, but it's fairly new concrete. It does have a crack that starts out here, transfers into the garage, and it comes over here, stops, and then splits off and goes that way, and then again this way right here, and also right here it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. All right, we are finished with this project. Garage here in Osage Beach. Got our walls all painted. Last coat of sealer went down early this morning. Nice and clean looking. This is our grizzly chip, which is a black, white, and a light tan. Let's get a little close up here. We had cracks running all up and down everywhere. Met here in the middle and just kind of like a spider web, just went different directions. We did have a large transition right here between this slab of concrete and right here, because they had sloped that down and made a little ramp. There was a crack right there that we filled. We made all of them disappear. Got the epoxy chips down, a couple of coats of urethane sealer, and we're good to go. If you guys are watching this possibly on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy the videos that I do, if you enjoy this work, you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. The like button is below the video, and leave me a comment if you have any questions about it, and I'll get back to you. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next project.